equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS17B. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The MSI MS17B may experience issues such as overheating or performance lag, often due to dust accumulation or failing components. If left unaddressed, these problems can lead to more severe damage, affecting the device's longevity and functionality. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. To begin, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the back cover using a suitable screwdriver, taking care not to strip the screws. Once open, locate the cooling fan and heat sink, which are often the culprits behind overheating. Disconnect the fan cable gently, and remove the screws securing the heat sink. Lift it off carefully, ensuring not to damage any surrounding components. Clean the old thermal paste from the CPU and heatsink using a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU, then reattach the heatsink and fan, securing them with screws. Reconnect the fan cable, ensuring it is firmly in place. As you reassemble the device, double-check that all screws are tightened appropriately, and no cables are pinched. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent overheating in the future, regularly clean the vents and ensure the device is used on hard surfaces to allow proper airflow. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.